We found a cicada! It's a cicada, guys! Oh, wow, it's a baby. It's a baby cicada.
I think that's just its
skin.
Yeah, that it came out of. Oh, here it is.
That's gross.
Oh, this is some other kind of bug. Here's some more skin down here.
Where?
Right there.
Yeah. Ah, perfect.
Oh, and I think I found its owner. Oh no, there's two of them on there. On here.
Oh my
Look,
God.
just on this branch right here, there is 4.
1, 2, 3,
5. Then down here, there's 4 of them, and there's skin.
No, there's 5 of them.
There's like so many right
1, 2,
here.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Are you coming?
There's 7 cicadas right there.
Oh, you did.
And then, no, that's just
Is there any more hiding?
No, there's just 2.
Okay. Here.
Right where?
Right here.
Ew! Ew, 1, 2. Look, I found 2.
Oh, yeah, there's 2 more on top. Oh my goodness. And then 3 down here.
There's 1 underneath.
This one's covered in them, yeah.
Ew.
It's a bunch of hiding ones. You could make it like a game.
Yeah.
Hide and seek
Why do I always
cicada.
feel like this is a walking tour?